Yo, what is up guys? Today I'm about to be showing you how you can get free Discord Nitro. So what you need to do is go to this website first. It's aptrix.co/nitro. There it is, aptrix.co/nitro. If you didn't see it, here's the link. And then you're gonna hit here. You're gonna put your username or email. Just put the email associated to your Discord account. So I'm gonna put mine. And and then you're going to choose the platform on which you're in. So I'm on iOS. Okay, and then you're going to hit connect. Very easy. Okay, so what you need to do is just choose how much you want. So just put don't put lifetime, just put like 12 months. Okay, so what you need to do here guys is complete human verification. It's like a captcha, you know, select the dog or the cat, something like that. It's just a bit more advanced. You need to download 2 apps and open them for 30 seconds each. So I'm gonna go for the first one, CyberGhost. Here it is. Just open it for 30 seconds. You don't have to do anything here actually. Just make sure it's open for 30 seconds. That's how long it takes. And you're gonna do this on 2 apps. Just download them and open them for 30 seconds. Very easy. Alright, I think it should be enough for the first one. So we're gonna go for the second. Here it is. Just need to wait a bit. Alright, I think this is enough. So once you do this, you just wait for like 5 to 10 minutes. So I'm gonna keep recording until I get the validation email. Still waiting, so I'm gonna check the email directly. Here it is. Oh, there's one. Here it is guys, as you can see, I just got it. It says thank you to user for using our website, etc. So basically this is it. After receiving this email, just go check your Discord. It will have Nitro activated. That's basically all of it. So if you need help, just hit me up in the comments. I'll do my best to help you if you didn't succeed or anything like that. Other than that, that's it. So thank you guys for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and we'll be seeing you on the next video.